Good morning, students. Today we are going to study symmetric roots, the concept of symmetric roots. Now, already we have seen that if any quadratic equation is given to you, then you already know that you will be getting two solutions for any quadratic equation. And those two solutions are said to be roots of the equation. Now that is the case when A, B, C are known to you. Then you are able to solve the equation either by factorization method or by formula and get the solutions, and you call those solutions as roots of the equation. Now in case your equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then we know that this equation being quadratic is going to have at least two solutions. That means if it will have two solutions, those two solutions could be called as roots of the equation, and we assume those two roots to be alpha and beta. And if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, then in that case we have set rules for certain expressions which are said to be the identities of symmetric roots. More or less they are related to your algebra. So already you know these formulae, but we are putting these formulae in terms of symmetric roots. So first and foremost, you are required to keep in your mind these two relationships, that is sum of the roots is alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. Minus b means minus coefficient of the middle term or the second term upon the coefficient of the first term, that is x square. So minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, that is minus b by a. Similarly, product of roots is given by alpha into beta equals to c upon a, where c is the constant term independent of x upon the coefficient of x square. Hence, making use of these two relations, we will be writing various identities in terms of symmetric roots which are related to our algebra formula. So obviously alpha plus beta square is equals to minus b by a whole square. That is, from here itself alpha plus beta is minus b by a, so whole square you can write like this, and which is equivalent to b square upon a square. Similarly, alpha minus beta whole square is equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. All of you know these formulae. Only thing is I am trying to put these symmetric relations in terms of sum of roots and product of roots so that I can write in terms of coefficients all these formulae, not in terms of alpha and beta. So our purpose is to reduce them in the terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So alpha minus beta whole square is given by this. Similarly, alpha square minus beta square could be given by alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. And alpha plus beta already we know, so we can directly put it here. Alpha minus beta, we can get it from the above relationship. So under root alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Similarly, now go on to alpha cube plus beta cube. I have not written for alpha square plus beta square because that is obviously from here alpha square plus beta square will be equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Next, alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Similarly, alpha cube minus beta whole cube, you can write it as alpha minus beta into alpha square plus alpha beta plus beta square, and which can be further resolved to alpha minus beta into alpha minus beta whole square plus 3 alpha beta, and alpha minus beta whole cube, if you open the bracket, plus 3 alpha beta into alpha minus beta. So next one is alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4, which could be written as alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square, which is again solvable as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square. Similarly, alpha square to the power 4, beta to the power 4, alpha square plus beta 4, beta square into alpha square minus beta square, and alpha square plus beta square could be again resolved into alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, and alpha square minus beta square could be written as alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta, and alpha minus beta you can write it from here as alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta whole under root into alpha plus beta, so that all these expressions will be changed into the terms of coefficients using these identities or these formulae based on symmetric roots. Now children, I am not asking to mug each and every formula because you are already familiar with these algebraical formulae. You are required to keep all these in your mind so that you can make use of it while doing the problems in the exercise. Also, I would advise you go through this complete presentation, then try to write all these formulae in your maths register on your own so that you will use your brains positively in correct direction, and obviously it will be stored in your brain, or what we call it as computer, and hence it can be always uh, decoded whenever you want to, and hence it will be very helpful for you while doing the exercise.